안녕하세요, everyone. How you doing? In today's video, we'll be looking at how thyroid hormone does this action. Now, last time we talked about how thyroid hormone is formed. So, at the end of the day, we had T3 and T4. Now, T4 goes into the cell and is acted on by 5' deiodinase and turns into T3 because T3 is the active form of thyroid hormone. Now, T3 goes to meet a transcription factor, and once it binds to the transcription factor, retinic acid also binds with the other parts of that transcription factor. You can see retinic acid as RXR in some of your textbooks. So it goes into the DNA, reads a codon or bunch of codons, and produces a protein. Now, what is this protein? This protein is what we know as your sodium potassium ATPases. So it produces a lot of them and embed them on the cell. Now, what does this thing do? It takes out 3 sodium and brings in 2 potassium. I may be wondering, thyroid hormone, it increases metabolism now. So what does it concern with sodium potassium? Well, the main thing is this ATPase. It is an ATPase, so it's going to use ATP and into ADP. So with lots of these channels in the cell, it will have a lot of conversion of ATP into ADP. Now, when that happens, cellular ATP reduces. When cellular ATP reduces, you need to produce more ATP. And how do you do that? You need oxygen. So oxygen usage increases. Now, as oxygen usage increases, metabolic rate will increase in the process. So metabolic rate increases. If metabolic rate increases, there's going to be a lot of heat. So people who have thyroid issue, you see that they usually they sweat a lot. They're always hot. So heat production. Then there's also increase in number and size of mitochondria because we need mitochondria to produce ATP. So this also happens. If this happens, it also increases metabolic rates because they're a continuous cycle. So it all starts with this, and we have this.